Alright guys, so this is an update on the printer. It's been sitting here doing nothing for a very long time, and the reason is, as you guys remember, those people who do follow my channel, this whole thing here was a disaster and was just not working. The cooling for the whole thing is still in shambles, and I ordered a whole new part here that is kind of compatible, not perfectly compatible with this, so I'm still trying to figure out how to get it set up so that it will attach up here and we'll get dual cooling, as we should have always had to begin with. I don't know why AlphaWise didn't come with dual cooling. I mean, these days most good printers will have dual cooling, so I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, we'll get that all back up and running, and eventually we'll be able to get another good wing like this with, you know, better quality than that with proper dual cooling and all that good stuff. And then we'll finally be able to fly some fully 3D printed planes. This is super light. It's close to on par with what you get from foam. Really light. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That was my update on 3D printing, and I will see you in the next one.